Hey guys, Devil Gaming here. Today we are going to benchmark my GPU Radeon RX 570 4GB. First I want to show you my performance settings. So you guys can see that I have overclocked the GPU frequency. This is the most you get, 1354, but by default it was 1284. And then the memory clock, it was 1750, and then we can go to 2244, which is by default when you install Crimson version of GPU driver. I've tried that and it always shows me 1354 is my GPU clock, and my GPU memory clock is 2244, which was by default. But when I update my GPU driver to Adrenaline version, then it decreased the GPU frequency and my memory clock. Of course you can increase the power limit which is needed when you overclock your system or overclock your GPU. You should increase a little bit limit of your power consumption settings or power tuning settings. So let's get back to benchmarking. So we have the benchmark software, Heaven's benchmark. Okay, Heaven benchmark. It's for GPU benchmarking, and we have DirectX 11. Let's set the preset to custom, then quality high, and tessellation to normal, anti-aliasing ×4, and resolution to system. Whatever resolution your system has, it will pick that for you. And why are we going to high quality? Why not ultra or HD quality? It's because this graphics card was made for high graphics performance, not for ultra, because this it's a budget graphics card, so mid-range, but it's good for its price. It's really good for its price. So let's run the benchmark now.